Hi everyone! Today we'll continue to explore palm oil processing solutions. The skid-mounted palm oil production line introduced in the previous issue, it is low cost, easy to install, and can be put into production quickly, but has limited capacity and low efficiency. For larger operations, meet our automated small palm oil production line. Why Africa loves it. 1. Full process efficiency. It covers all stages: sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, oil clarification, filtration, and vacuum drying. Besides, steam boiler sterilization saves 1–1.5 hours versus traditional boiling. The vertical digesting tank is directly connected to the double-screw palm oil press machine to ensure higher oil yield and lower residue. 2. Born from African needs. A decade ago, our team found Africa's scattered plantations couldn't support large systems. We redesigned Malaysian industrial processes into compact solutions. After multiple upgrades, we now offer 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production lines and 5 tons per hour fully automated palm oil production lines. In addition, key components like our sterilization tank and digesting tank hold national patents. 3. Proven track record. At present, our automated small palm oil production line has been successfully installed in more than 10 African countries including Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Tanzania, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, and Côte d'Ivoire. If you want to invest in palm oil processing business in Africa, or your customers need a small palm oil pressing production line, please feel free to contact us.